Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to download GIFs from Tumblr. So let's get us started. Start by logging to your Tumblr account. Once on Tumblr, select the GIF you want to download. Explore blog, use tags or utilize the search bar to locate the animated GIF you desire. Once you have found the GIF, right-click on the GIF. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for an option like Save Image or Download in the menu. Click it and just like that, you have successfully downloaded your chosen GIF. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.